Let's make some fudge. So today I'm going to share with you a delicious family recipe, homemade fudge. So to make this, you start by combining sugar, butter, and evaporated milk into a pot placed over medium-high heat. And you want to stir this mixture until everything starts to combine, dissolve, and everything's well incorporated. Now it does take some time for everything to slowly melt down, but you don't want your heat to start off too high, as this mixture can quickly scorch. So it is important to keep stirring this mixture. You're looking for it to reach a rolling boil, essentially reaching that soft ball stage where everything is slowly clinging together and creating that fudge texture. So after some time, you can definitely tell that the texture is starting to change when you pull your spoon out of the mixture and it begins to bead. At this point, you can add in whatever chocolate morsels you prefer. Here, I am using chocolate and butterscotch. Then you want to quickly add in a container of marshmallow fluff. This is going to make it have that perfect fudge consistency. And then stir to combine all of those ingredients. And as you can see here, to test, this is a softball stage at which you have that perfect creamy fudge consistency. So after everything has been added, you have everything stirred together well, you're going to go ahead and put your fudge into pans. I like to put them in these smaller pans to give for holiday gifts. Whether it's Christmas, Valentine's Day, or a birthday, everyone loves a good pan of fudge. And I like to beat them down just a little bit to make sure that they're settled and are perfect every time. So no matter the flavor you make, whether it be butterscotch, peanut butter, or plain chocolate, this recipe is fail-proof. Let me know what flavor you try.